Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to talk about advanced Steam sessions and how to install it onto your FPS multiplayer template. Um, you need advanced sessions to do a lot of the extra things for your multiplayer that you can't do with your regular sessions. So basically what you need to do is go to Google and you'll type in advanced Steam sessions, and you're eventually going to go to this website. If you don't know, it's just VR, expansion plugin. Now my project is in 5.7, so I would download this one. If I'm using 5.6, this is what I'd be using, so on and so on and so on. So whatever your project is in, so like I'm using right here, this, you can see it says 5.7, so we'll be using that plugin. Once that's downloaded, you're going to open it up. You're going to see this. You're going to open that up, and then these two folders. You're going to open up your project file. Right here, session. In here, before you even open it up, you're going to make a new folder. Then it's going to be called plugins. Open up that, drag these two over there to it. Boom. Now that's dragged in there. You can open up sessions or your project. Once it's opened, we'll have to restart it one more time, guys. All right, so once your project has opened, you're going to go into edit, plugins. You're going to go in and look for sessions, and you're going to enable advanced sessions and advanced Steam sessions, and then you're going to hit restart, and it's going to restart your app one more time. We are back up. Now, the next thing you want to do is go into your FPS. You're going to type in game instance. I'm going to open that up. You're going to scroll out, and you're going to look for right here where it says create session. You're going to make this bigger. Make this bigger. Then you're going to come off of this right here, or just right click anywhere and type in create advanced. Is it advanced? Create advanced session. Yeah, create advanced session. This is what you're going to get. You're going to hold control, left click and hold while you're holding control, and move that up there. You're basically going to plug these all into where they're plugged in at. You're just going to keep holding control, and you're just going to keep moving everything to the way it was. So in this one, it'll be on success. Go to on success. And then now everything's unplugged, you can delete that one and keep this one. This one is set up and good to go. Okay, and then you want to compile and save. And then go up to your tools and go into search, and then join or find session. Find sessions. Okay, then it's going to be like a widget that you're looking for here, the name of the widget. Right there. WB join server menu. When you open this up, you're going to see this node right here. It says in the search list of sessions. So you're going to have to make this a little bigger. And then bring that down there, and then right click somewhere here and type in find session. Find sessions advanced. Same thing as before. You're going to copy all of these nodes. You're going to hold control and you're going to put that where that's at. Put this on the player controller, this on the max results, and then this on the use LAN, and then this on the results, this on failure, this on success, and this on set. Now nothing's plugged up to that, and you can delete the old one and compile, and then you can organize this up. I'm not even going to waste my time because I'm not using this project, but you can just like organize this however you want. And that is how you create the advanced sessions. And hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys in the next one.